Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special treat for you today. I just received a new box from Sewers Club. It's SewersClub.com, and I really adore these boxes. I just got a new one from the company and I want to open it and share it with you. Sewers Club specifically ships to Canada, the USA, the UK, New Zealand, and Australia. The box that I have with me today to share with you is a box of 15 fat quarters. Now this is what they call their stash builder box, okay? So this box is 15 fat quarters in here. I mean, it's solid, like there's no moving around. This box is packed full of 15 fat quarters, and the total for the box is $35.33, which is awesome, okay? Guys, that brings it to like a little bit over $2.50 a fat quarter. I can't decide if I want to show you my fabric and then show you how to order it on the website the way that they have it set up, to where you know that what you're getting in your box is going to be something that you'll like and not just a surprise and something that's going to end up on your shelf as like a ugh. But okay, no, I'm gonna show you what's in the box first. Let's look at what's in the box. So we have this beautiful little box that comes, and here is what my box has this month. Ooh, those are cute. Look at all that pink. This is me, okay? This is pink, purples, florals, happy. I love these fabrics. A lot of times when you get fabrics, you're not always guaranteed a fabric cut that has the selvage on it. Sewers Club includes this card with every one of their orders. So it has everything in your box, so you know the fabric, the name of the fabric, and who it's by, okay? And then it's arranged in your box so that this makes perfect sense, so that you, if you like, say for instance, this one totally jumped out at me. I'm gonna open this one up and see what it looks like. But so for instance, this one totally jumped out at me in the beginning because it looks kind of like watercolory. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So I can look at this and I can go, oh, Boho Blooms Multi-Dancing, because these are from left to right. So if you like this one too, it is the Boho Blooms Multi-Dancing, this one right here on the very end. Okay, so they have every single one of them listed out so you know the maker of the fabric and where you can find more of it. I'm never gonna get it in there tucked as pretty as they had it, but here is the full box of all of these beautiful fabrics that I got in here. And the way that they have the website set up, I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna show you how they have the website set up so you know that what you're getting every single month is actually tailored to your likes, your desires, and you're gonna be happy with it every single month. Okay, I said that you can do it every single month, but you get to choose how often you want your box sent to you. So it's the same price no matter if you get it shipped quarterly, if you get it shipped monthly, if you get it shipped bi-monthly. It's the same price for your box every single time. So the box that I got is the 15 fat quarters box. They have other boxes with different quantities that show up for different prices as well. Then under that, you get to choose what you like. If you love batiks and you want only batiks in your box, you can check that and then they can do that. You can choose how many of these you want if you kind of want to be a little bit surprised at your order every single month. If you want to add some shimmers and some, I don't know, let's say florals in there. I'm almost like 99% sure that when I picked my box, I said florals and solids and blenders and shimmers. So if you like what I got in my box, that's probably what you would like to pick too. But you know, if you love animals and you want some more animal prints, or you always do children's quilts or something like that, this is stuff, and you will find that they find different fabric than you would if you were to shop at your local stores. So it's fun to get a good mix of things. But in the same way that you can pick what you do like, you can pick what you do not like. So if you do not like anything with animals on it, or you do not want any juvenile fabric, you can specify that and they will make sure that it does not end up in your box. And then here in the middle, you get to pick your colors, because I know we are all artists and we all have opinions, right? We all have very good, strong, solid opinions. So you can pick which fabrics you like. Obviously, I am a pink, blue, purple kind of girl, right? So that's what I picked as my colors in here. And look at my box again. What do you see a majority of in here? Pink, blues, and purples. And now there are some greens in here that are a little bit of like a blender, right? But on my requests, I did have solids and blenders on there. So like, I'm totally happy with that. And this would make a beautiful quilt together. Or I can put these on my shelf and I can use them with any other quilt project that I'm working on, which I think is pretty cool. So if you're in the market for something for the holiday season, a really fun, easy gift, if you want to tell your husband or your mom or an aunt or somebody, hey, this is what I want. Let's make it easy. Boom. So if you have any other ideas or things that you would like me to help you with, or give a shout out to a company that you know and work really, really well with, let me know. I would love to do that. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Also, if you want to see the other unboxings that I did of the Sewers Club boxes, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Bye.